Hey you guys, welcome back. This is Diana from the Doll Planet. We are going to root pigtails today. As you can see, I've got Fashionista 145 mostly rooted. So she already had pigtails, and so I'm just following the current part line. So that made it a lot easier. Otherwise, you would just, if you need to make your own part line, I recommend using like a marker that's similar in color and draw the part line to give you a guide when you're rooting, and then it will be covered up by the hair, so you don't have to worry about it being the marker showing. So the way I do pigtails, I like this because it gives me sleeker pigtails, is I actually don't root any of the head. I just root around the circumference of the head and the part line. But as you can see, like, it's got a lot of volume. So, and then on this side, I have not, we're gonna root that. I have just rooted around the head. One thing that's really important to do when you're doing pigtails is to clip the hair that you're not using down. So I've got clips in this hair because I don't want it to get mixed up in this part. And then I have this clip kind of as a placeholder for the moment. I'm gonna use it when I root this hair. So let's get to it. By the way, these are Egyptian blue 10mm curls that we're using. I'm also using a number 7 needle. It's the smallest needle that we carry. I'm actually going to start here at the bottom. So this hole is obviously already rooted. I'm going to double root it. If that, hopefully that makes sense. This way you don't have to create another part line, you don't have to thatch. It's really simple, and it creates a pretty neat looking part. Like, it's not messy. Sometimes. Oh, did I miss one? Yep, I missed one. We're not gonna do the whole part on camera, but we're gonna get nice and started. There we go, that looks better. We'll do a few more plugs just to give you an idea, and also so you guys can see how it looks. And then at the end, we will take a look at her hair once. Yeah, so it's really simple. I know part lines for a lot of people is a point of frustration, and I understand, because, you know, there's some people who just thatch like naturally and they're just really good at it. I am not one of those people, so if you're not one of those people either, don't feel bad. Sorry guys, my hands shake a little bit. Actually better. It used to shake much worse. There'll be a link below in the description showing where you can purchase these items in our store. We'll just do a couple more. Look at that. See how like it's pretty clean? And then having the hair pinned up like this makes it a lot easier, because it's really easy for the part to get messy if you've got the hair just going every which way. This can work for, you don't have to do it as pigtails, just as a regular part line, this works as well. This is, I do thatching occasionally, especially if I'm rerooting something vintage, you know, you gotta like, having it thatched, you know, it matches because those parts are thatched. But I don't feel like I'm very good at thatched parts. It's an uphill battle for me, so like the idea of doing a tutorial makes me a little uncomfortable. There we go. Yeah, parts can be really easy. You just, and try to angle your needle as well. I hope that makes sense. I'm, you know, obviously angling the needle in a certain direction, and it helps with how the hair lays. We'll do one more. As usual, messing up because we are recording. There we go. Can't really see a difference from the front yet, but we will soon. Let's see how she is going to look when she's all done. Here she is. Okay, I have rooted the entire part. That's what it looks like from the back. One of the mistakes I made, I make this mistake a lot because I'm just like super impatient, is I didn't paint her head, and I should have done that before I started rooting. You can just use like a simple acrylic paint. You don't have to use anything expensive, but it does help a lot. Little issues like that. I think she'll be okay though. I'm loving the way she is looking. I think she looks super cute. And in the next video, we will style this amazing head of hair. I hope you found this helpful. If you liked it, please subscribe. We'll be adding content often, simple videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you later.